Welcome to Blasting Through History, where we explore iconic cars that have shaped the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of the 1973 BMW 2002 Turbo. Born in the era of unlimited possibilities, this turbocharged beast took the streets by storm. Its muscular design, flared wheel arches, and wide tires scream power and aggression. Every curve and line of this legendary machine exudes pure adrenaline. Under the hood, the 2002 Turbo boasts a 2.0-liter engine with a turbocharger, delivering an impressive 170 horsepower. This pocket rocket could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7 seconds, making it the fastest production car of its time. The 2002 Turbo was created to dominate the racetracks, and boy, did it deliver. With its formidable power and impeccable handling, it quickly became a force to be reckoned with in the world of motorsports. From the Nürburgring to Le Mans, this Bavarian beauty brought home victory after victory. But it wasn't just about speed and performance. The 2002 Turbo also had a luxurious interior, featuring comfortable seating and modern amenities. It was the perfect blend of style, comfort, and sheer driving pleasure. Despite being produced for only a short period, the BMW 2002 Turbo left an everlasting impact on the automotive industry. Its groundbreaking turbocharged technology set the stage for future generations of high-performance vehicles. So, let's take a moment to appreciate this remarkable masterpiece from BMW's history. The 1973 BMW 2002 Turbo, a true pioneer in the world of performance cars. Thanks for joining us on this journey through time, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories like this one. Keep on blasting through history.